Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to block and unblock someone on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, scroll down, choose any person, okay, just tap on three dot option, click on block, tap on block it, and then back, tap on menu and click on settings and privacy, then tap on settings, okay, and click on search bar, search on blocking, just tap, and this person is right now blocked, and just tap on unblock option and click on unblock. That's all. To block and unblock someone on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.